Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about running HTTP 2 using Node.js. Seems at first kind of like a basic intro video, but I have this page pulled up, and I wanted to show this because of this reason. Many of you guys might be using Google Cloud Run, and the way that works is that it terminates TLS at the load balancer before sending it on. So if you want to use HTTP 2 on Google Cloud Run, you actually have to do it in clear text, which is kind of crazy for a handful of reasons. A, like no browser even really allows you to do it in clear text to begin with, but B, this is coming from Google, which they are the ones that are responsible for this protocol to begin with. So it's a little bit weird. I know why they did this, but it's it's just a way. It's something you have to deal with if you're using Cloud Run. So guess what today's video is about? It's about using HTTP2 on Google Cloud, but not with Google Cloud Run, using Node.JS Unikernels instead. And that way you don't have to send things in clear text with this stupid h2c format. So let's get started. We'll go back to our window here. I've created a self-signed cert .pym here and .key.pym. Obviously, in prod, you'll probably be using a real cert signed by an actual CA. That's great. This is just a demo. So we pull up server.js, pretty basic, right? We have to load file system to read in the files, which we do here. Key.pym, cert.pym, really basic stuff. Says hello world. Show you the client. You can also use curl if you wish, but show you a version in Node just to have the full thing here. It's essentially the same thing. You can see I just kind of hard coded this IP into one I was toying with. Again, we load in the cert, so it at least doesn't complain about the cert being bad. Although you'll see that this environment variable we've set to no-TLS reject unauthorized. Basically, you don't want this running in prod because it'll it'll downgrade the security. But this was just kind of a demo video. If you're using something like Let's Encrypt, you don't even have to screw with this because they're going to take care of it for you. All right, so that's the client. We'll pop into our config here. So the config, pretty basic, right? We load in files of server.js, cert.pym, key.pym, pass it the args of server.js, say, hey, we're running this on 8080. And then cloud config's pretty basic, your project ID, the bucket, and the zone that you want it in, right? We can look at build image. This is just how I instantiate this. So we basically do ops image create, pass it a package of Node version 18.12, do whatever package you want to do. It's actually super easy to create these packages. And the last time I tried the ops, package from Docker command, it imports Node just perfectly. So another thing. We pass it our config, and we also say, hey, the target platform is GCP. The instance is pretty much the same. Ops instance create, node image, cconfig JSON, port 8000, GCP, and our GCP ID. Okay, so basically we want to see if it works, right? Might have our curl in here. Well, yeah. So we can just do the client because I already have it in there, right? All right. So you can see that it's working. This warning that you're seeing is that im setting that in prod you'll want to not have. You'll want like an actual CNAME in. But this shows you that you can run Node.JS Unikernels just fine. And use all the benefits of HTTP2, and you don't have to send things in clear text using that stupid h2c protocol. So till next time, talk to you later. Bye.